Hi everyone! Today we're going to solve a very simple but super important physics question together. A car is moving with an average velocity of 6.25 meters per second. How far does the car travel in exactly 4 seconds? Let's figure it out step by step. It's actually very straightforward once we understand the relationship. The most important idea here is this: distance equals average velocity times time. Or written with symbols, d equals v average times t. That's the key equation we're going to use today. We already know average velocity, v average, equals 6.25 meters per second. Time, t, is 4.0 seconds, so all we have to do is multiply them. d equals 6.25 meters per second times 4.0 seconds. First, ignore the units for a second and just do the numbers. 6.25 times 4 is 25. Now, bring the units back. Meters per second times seconds equals meters, so the seconds cancel out beautifully, and we're left with meters. Therefore, distance equals 25 meters. That's it. The car travels 25 meters in those 4 seconds. By the way, you might see this written 2 different ways in textbooks. Way 1, d equals v average times t. Way 2, v average equals d over t, which means d equals v average times t. Both mean exactly the same thing. Average velocity is just total distance divided by total time. So to find distance, we multiply velocity by time. Sometimes people get confused and say, if time increases, distance decreases because they are inversely proportional. But wait, that's only true if velocity is changing or if something else is fixed. In this problem, the average velocity is constant. It stays 6.25 meters per second the whole time. When speed is steady, distance and time are directly proportional. Double the time, double the distance. Half the time, half the distance. So if time increases and speed stays the same, the car actually travels farther, not less. To sum up, given constant average velocity of 6.25 meters per second, in 4 seconds, the car covers 25 meters. Very clean, very logical. If this made sense to you, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. What other simple physics problems would you like me to explain next? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.